how are you? I hope all is well. I'm just vlogging today. It's about 10 a.m. and I just got off of work a little bit early because I'm going to get my eyebrows microbladed. I am really excited but really nervous. So I have on some pencil right now because I just didn't want to go to work with nothing on. And I am going to wipe this off after we eat and then we're going to go. I'm like so excited. I don't have any foundation on my forehead. Isn't that so funny? All my makeup is like from my eye down. But I also want to get these done because I like the shape of my eyebrow, but I don't like how I fill them in. I don't like the technique. I don't really like the outcome all the time. Like, it's really inconsistent. I'm so nervous.
You get in the right way whenever you feel comfortable. You waving at all your fans?
Oh, what are my fans? I have friends.
Huh.
I'm thankful for them.
Yeah.
They're doing me a solid. Like a dinosaur did it.
Yeah.
Okay, my eyebrows done by Amanda. So weird, I've never even met someone and then you're going to be like, hi, change my face. I honestly, like, I have no idea how people get like surgeries, like plastic surgeries. Like, this really isn't that big. And I like made this appointment like a month ago and I haven't stopped thinking about it, and like I'm so nervous. Like, I don't know how people can, like, how do people have so much chill? I have no chill when it comes to like reconstructive surgery.
What I like about your eyebrows is you have an even amount of hair. It's just not full for shaping, right?
Yeah.
So microblading will be good. Well, I'll teach you everything there is to know about it. All of the points of your eyebrow are already determined based on mathematics, but the thickness and the style of the arch are the things that we can kind of mess with.
Is that like good when they're picky though? Because like they know exactly what they want?
That's my favorite client. Half of the appointment is literally us talking and shaping.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we're in no hurry. You're gonna have to teach me some makeup tricks, girl. Seriously. So this one, we're gonna add to the bottom of it to even it out. And then same here. There's just those patchy spots that are gonna make a huge difference. But let me grab the app here. Perfect. And I'm gonna show you what your symmetry looks like right now, and then what we're gonna do to correct it. You can see, kind of like I shared, that underneath of this tail just needs to be a little thicker. You already knew that. That's why you're here. And then, but it looks to me like they start pretty evenly underneath here. So they're very level, and the heights actually aren't bad at all. So what I see is we're just gonna be filling them in. Not a lot of correction work, which is nice, right?
Cool.
Yeah. Congratulations. It's gonna be so fun. You don't even know how good it's gonna look yet. I'm just very proud of you for researching people that are patient and then actually do the proper research to get what they want. I'm measuring the gap between the whites of your eyes, and based on that ratio, it tells me where your eyebrows are supposed to start.
Oh, really?
So we'll see how you match up. Isn't that so nerdy?
That's awesome.
So
I didn't
cool.
know that.
I'm gonna have to send you one of these tools. See, they start perfect. I knew it. Yeah, so it's a little short on this side too, so you'll love that added length. And some people's brow bones aren't even on both sides, so what I like to do is just compare. So I use the caliper here, and I just make sure that it's the same, which it is. So
cool.
Good stuff. So see this middle right here? This is where the highest point of your eyebrow should be, is right here. Oops. And then this point right here is where I'm gonna draw a little belly, and this is where it starts flowing upward. Isn't that crazy? I'm telling you, it's all math, girl.
That is so cool.
People can say it's art, but there's so much math to it. So see, it's the exact same on this side. So we're just gonna copy that. So here's that highest point, and here's the bottom of the belly here. There we go.
That's why I'm not good at eyebrows. I'm not good at math.
That's why we're
That's
good
what
fit.
it is.
You're literally gonna have a perfect shape 24/7. But if you wanna glam it up and go crazy, it'll take you no time. Watch how I trace this right down your brow bone here. So I kind of get in the groove. See, I'm just following your bone. You feel that? Yeah, that's how you know. The actual shape of the microblading is gonna be the inside of the outline. It looks pretty crazy when it's a border. maybe 5% of clients have a more defined arch like you naturally, so it's
Oh.
fun. I love arches. I want you to look at this tail and this tail and tell me which one you naturally like better. Because this is how you used to do it, and this is how I prefer
Yeah,
it.
I think like I was just trying to fit what was going on
Yeah.
this one instead of like, because I wouldn't know how to correct
See,
it.
this is how I would recommend. So I wanted you to see both, how you are used to doing it, and then what I recommend. We're not gonna bring them closer together though, but you can.
Yeah,
do
no,
that with your makeup.
you're right. I think it's just because it's so much thinner, it looks like they're so far. Because I'm picturing that they're starting over here.
Oh my gosh, you're so funny. I will make them more prominent for you because it seems like that would be your style. So
Okay,
I think it's a good mesh of what's natural and what you like to do. What do you think, girl?
Looks good.
It's not gonna look like makeup. It's gonna look like a real brow.
Yeah.
Trippy. So I do this with marker dots right on your wax outline. Because as I work, I smear the crap out of the outline. So it keeps it there. So everything one time use, and you'll watch me dispose of it when we're done. Yeah. So I'll set that up for you. Yeah, it's just so funny because you have all the hair there. It's just not as dense as you want it. So little correction work, just filling today.
So many blades I get to use today.
I think, yeah, you get 4 today. Spoiled.
That's our lucky number. It's 4.
Is it really?
We do this like this peel off mask with glue, and it's like everybody screams when they do it. And it's, I do it every week, so it doesn't even feel like that. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Good. And you hear that creepy scratchy sound? That means that I'm in a perfect depth of skin. So it's a good sound for the artist. But creepy for you.
Sounds cool.
I love it. It's like VELCRO.
Yeah.
We're so weird.
To get rid of my sideburns, I do that like metal coil too.
What?
Yeah, like you just, it's like that coil like that, and then you pull it. So it's kind of like it's kind of like threading, and I do it on my sideburns. Like
That's
that's
horrible.
way worse than anything I've felt yet. So
Why would you do that?
so I don't look like
Oh
Elvis.
my gosh. It's not even filled in yet, and you can see all the strokes it's filling your face.
Like eyebrow hair.
And I'm gonna put a couple more in the head here too.
Yeah, it's not that they were far, it's just that it was like not enough.
I'm gonna fluff them.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh. Someone's excited.
I'm gonna spend like all my free time for the rest of this like next 2 years just brushing through and watching the microblading not move with the hair.
And what I don't do is I only say the middle. That way the hair strokes still show coming in from the border. So it still looks very natural. The hair still shows.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Good, so not too overwhelming. Not crazy.
That's so weird to see because they don't move. That's so
I don't move. So I'll take the top off. Looking good. Oh my goodness. You have a tail now. It's real. No, it's not real. Here, I'll take your bonnet off, even though it's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
I'll brush it with my finger here, so you can see the hair strokes.
See, that's
So you move that, move your hair out of the way, and you can see all those little strokes. Isn't that wild?
oh my goodness.
Beautiful. You were just missing underneath. It was a gap for you. You probably plucked it. So we just put it back, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't that nuts?
Oh
so
my
I'll have
gosh.
you sit up and I'll have you look in the mirror too. Isn't that nuts?
Wow.
Yeah, play into the daylight mirror too.
Like I said, like I saw your results, like I knew what it looked like, but to see it on yourself is like, oh my gosh.
You look beautiful. I think that's the highlight. Fixing that tail.
Yeah. But the arch too, I mean, like it's all good, like, because even all of it. Like I just named every part.
So
oh my
pretty.
gosh.
Yay,
Oh my
congratulations. Ah!
That is crazy.
Francesca's got hot brows.
Oh my gosh, that is so crazy.
With no powder on.
Yeah.
I love it. Oh my gosh.
I just got my eyebrows done. I can't even believe it. Wow. Okay, I wanted to be so much more chill, but yeah, I cannot believe this is my life now. She's like the sweetest, you know what I mean? Like that's like the energy that you need when you're going to go through like a life change like this. And the results are like, you just literally look like you have like fantastic eyebrows, like that you have. You know what I mean? Like it looks like hair, right?
Yes.
My mouth hurts. My whole mouth, like I smiled I think the whole time. I can't even believe it. So I just washed them for the first time. So the aftercare is like really easy, especially for me because I have oily skin. So I just have to wash them once an hour with a wet cotton ball and water. That's it. Just looks like hair, like it's microbladed. Like it just looks like hair. I love the flow of this hair. Like I love that the inner ones are just going straight up. I love the arch. I love the softness of the arch.
What are you doing?
Did you see that this in here looks like it's real hair going upward? I thought that they needed to be closer together, but I just needed some more strokies.
Yeah.
Both sides have it so good. I'm just looking at the eyebrows. I'm not like so vain. Like
I know, but you're like.
or put parakeet in a mirror. I'm just looking at her work.
But do you want to know what's really nice? Like to see you so happy and smile.
Here's what I do. I'll never, no, stop loving you. Time to wash my eyebrows. So this is just getting rid of whatever comes out of yourself that causes scabbing. See? You like would think that this is eyebrow hair. So I washed my makeup off and like to think that these would be my brows with cut. I just actually washed my hair last night. Perfect. So it's gonna last me 7 days. But I'm just wondering how. We'll cross that bridge when we get there, but I think it'll be like. Okay, so that's the noise in the background if you were wondering. They're chewing on Maleficent's horns. So I got my eyebrows done on Monday and it is now Wednesday and I cannot believe how good these look. I was telling Brandon that this entire vlog is just like totally invading my personal space, but that is okay. I love these. There are just more important things than finding flattering angles. I have to show this work. It's like really cool because like you really can't tell like which ones are hair and which ones are tattoo. I might have said it already, but I want to make sure I have it in this vlog. So I've known about microblading for 3 years or something like that, and I never considered getting it. I don't love like how I do my eyebrows. I wish that it looked like hair, but most of the microblading that I had seen had like thicker strokes and it just looked kind of the same as when you pencil it in. So I figured I could just do that myself. And then I don't know, just out of curiosity, I guess I look at stuff on Yelp sometimes, and then I saw Amanda's work. So as soon as I saw her stuff, I completely changed my mind and I was like, you know what, I have to get this because that's what I want, is to fake like I have eyebrow hair. She was so much fun to work with. Like it was like such a fun time. Like it honestly like felt like a sleepover mixed with school, the parts of school that I like. I really enjoy learning and I learned so much stuff. It's just really nice to like meet someone who like so cares about their work. So like, and then I have very oily skin, which I've always loved. Like I feel like the fountain of youth is made of oil, but on top of that, the post care is very easy. I'm not doing anything else to them, just making sure that they're very dry. I'm singing like all love songs about your eyes, but I'm saying your eyebrows because that's how I feel. I can see it in your eyebrows.
In your eyebrows. To see the doorway, 1,000 churches in your eyebrows. I want to be that complete. I want to touch the light, the heat I see in your eyebrows.
Thank you. Sweetest thing anyone's ever said to me.